Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the best earbuds under 4000 rupees in India. I hope everyone is okay, going well. I have ordered it 2 days ago from Flipkart. This is the brand new JBL C100TWS True Wireless earbuds. It has got Bluetooth version 5.0 and it has a wireless range of 10 meter. It has got battery life of 5 hours, charging time 2 hours, and the battery is interestingly 500 mAh, which is very much high from other earbuds, and 60 mAh for each buds. It has got advanced stereo calling with crystal clear sound quality due to Harman effect. It has also got up to 17 hours of combined playback support, 5 hours on earbud and 12 hours on charging case. And interestingly, it has got quick charging. 15 minutes of charge gives 1 hour of charge. And the noise cancellation is excellent here, so you can go for it easily. Let's just see the things which they given in the packet and enjoy the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you. And one more interesting point which I like about these earbuds are the control which they given on the sides. You can press it and control it. If you are receiving a call or want to stop the music, you can easily press it. I like that thing. In other buds, it is touch sensitive, so that doesn't work sometimes, so that can cause trouble to you. But this control, it has got advanced stereo calling with crystal clear sound quality due to Harman effect. As you can see, he is jumping and shaking his head, but it is still on his ear, so you can use it while exercising. The price written on the packet is 8000 rupees, but I have bought it for 4000 from Flipkart. You can buy it from Flipkart at 4000 rupees. And friends, if you are thinking that it is a Chinese company, I want to confirm you that JBL is a company from USA, so we can easily buy it. Well, that's it for today guys. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you very much.
You like a lonely man with a